The world of productivity tools, Notion, Asana, Trello, ClickUp, Monday, once felt like magic. They helped us organize, track, and collaborate. But here's the shocking truth. The era of productivity tools is quietly ending. Because something far more powerful is taking their place, Agentic AI. We've all used apps to stay productive. You open a dashboard, drag a few tasks, set a few reminders, and then spend the next 30 minutes managing the tool instead of doing the work. But what if the tool itself could think? What if it didn't just hold your to-do list, but actually completed the tasks for you? That's not a dream anymore. That's Agentic AI. This isn't your typical automation. This is the dawn of AI agents, digital entities that can understand goals, plan actions, and execute tasks across tools, all without your input. Instead of you telling your app what to do, the app decides what needs to be done and just does it. And that, bro, changes everything. Think about it. Productivity tools were designed for humans who needed structure. They were passive containers for tasks. You had to feed them, update tasks, set due dates, check boxes. Agentic AI flips that entire dynamic. Now the AI manages you. It doesn't need reminders. It reminds you. It doesn't ask for instructions. It figures them out. It doesn't wait for updates. It executes, measures, and adapts. Imagine this. You say to your AI agent, I need to launch a marketing campaign for my SaaS this week. It doesn't just create a task in Notion. It writes the content, designs the ad, sets up the campaign, tracks conversions, and reports results while you sleep. That's not a productivity app. That's a digital employee. And that's why traditional SaaS tools are becoming obsolete. They were built around human input, buttons, menus, dashboards, but AI agents don't need any of that. They need APIS, logic, and goals. The future of productivity isn't about managing tasks. It's about assigning outcomes. Let's be real, productivity apps have hit a ceiling. They help you stay organized, but they don't make you productive. You still have to do the work. But with Agentic AI, the focus shifts from how do I manage this to what result do I want. The middle layer, the manual clicking, typing, updating, disappears. And this isn't a hypothetical future. It's already happening. Look at Devin, the AI software engineer from Cognition. It can code, debug, and deploy apps without supervision. Or Adeptus CT1, which can navigate web interfaces like a human, performing actions across tools. Or AutoGPT, which takes goals and self-directs tasks until the goal is met. These systems are early glimpses of the post-SaaS world, where interfaces don't matter, outcomes do. So here's the big question. What happens to SaaS businesses when AI agents no longer need dashboards or subscriptions? The answer is simple. They'll either evolve or vanish. The smartest SaaS founders are already preparing. They're not building tools anymore. They're building agents. Instead of selling users a platform to manage marketing, they're selling an Agile that runs marketing. Instead of offering a CRM that organizes leads, they're offering an agent that closes leads. It is no longer software as a service, it is becoming agents as a service. This new model doesn't rely on user interfaces. It runs on conversations, goals, and feedback loops. You don't log into your app, you talk to your agent. You say, handle customer onboarding this week, and it just happens. The agent schedules messages, personalizes emails, and reports progress automatically. And here's the crazy part. We're still early. Most people haven't even realized that their favorite productivity tools are already falling behind. We're so used to managing tools that we can't imagine them managing themselves. But that's what's coming, and it's going to hit fast. The companies that fail to integrate Agentic AI will slowly fade away. They'll keep adding new buttons, new dashboards, and prettier UIs, while users move to systems that simply get the job done. We've already seen this happen before. Remember what happened to manual data entry tools after Zapier and automation took off? Or what happened to old web design platforms after Webflow arrived? It's history repeating, but faster. The difference this time is AI agents don't just automate tasks. They think strategically. They understand context, they make decisions, and they optimize results. That's something no traditional app can ever do. Think of it this way. The old SaaS world was like hiring a bunch of assistants, each good at one thing. Notion for notes, Asana for tasks, Slack for communication. But now, with AI agents, you have one smart partner who can do it all seamlessly across platforms with zero instruction. And if you're a founder or startup builder, this is both an opportunity and a threat. The opportunity, if you adapt fast, you can build the next wave of AI-powered systems that replace the old SaaS giants. The threat, if you cling to the old model, you'll be disrupted by someone who integrates AI agents first. Every new technology wave kills what came before. CRMs killed spreadsheets. SaaS killed on-premise software. And now, Agentic AI will quietly kill SaaS as we know it. But here's the key insight. It's not the end of software. It's the rebirth of it. The tools we'll use in the next decade won't live on screens. They'll live in systems. You'll interact with them through natural language, voice, and context, not clicks. They won't need onboarding. They'll onboard you. Imagine logging into work one day and realizing you have a digital team, agents for writing, coding, managing, scheduling, designing. Each knows your style, your goals, and your metrics. They collaborate silently, reporting results at the end of the day. That's not a fantasy. It's the logical next step. The infrastructure is already here. APIs connect everything. LMs give AI reasoning. Vector databases give them memory. Automation platforms give them execution. All that's missing is orchestration, and that's what Agentic AI is bringing. A layer that coordinates all of this to deliver outcomes autonomously. And when that happens, the word productivity itself will mean something different. It wouldn't be about doing more tasks. It'll be about achieving results with minimal effort. That's the promise of Agentic AI. Now, think about it from the user perspective. Why would you pay $30 a month for a project management tool when an AI agent can manage your entire workflow across every tool you use for a similar price or even free? Why would you use 5 apps when one agent can coordinate them all? Once people experience this level of autonomy, there's no going back. Even big tech knows it. OpenAI is adding memory and custom GPTs to move toward autonomous agents. Anthropic is building safer, goal-oriented systems with Claude. Google's Gemini is becoming more context-aware. Everyone is racing to build the brain behind the next generation of digital work. So what does this mean for you, the entrepreneur, the builder, the SaaS creator? It means your next big opportunity isn't building another app. It's building the AI layer that runs everything. Don't build tools for people. Build agents that work for them. The SaaS founder of 2020 wrote code. The SaaS founder of 2025 will train AI agents. And for users, it's time to stop managing your tools like a to-do list. Start thinking about what outcomes you want your AI to handle. The future belongs to those who know how to delegate to machines. Because here's the truth, productivity tools were never the end game. They were the bridge. The goal was never to make us better at organizing work. The goal was to make work disappear. And that's exactly what Agentic AI is doing. So next time you open your task manager, just remember, while you're checking boxes, somewhere out there an AI agent is already executing goals, closing deals, shipping updates, and scaling businesses without ever opening a single app. The age of dashboards is ending. The age of delegation has begun, and those who learn to work with agents, not apps, will lead the next generation of businesses. Because in the end, Productivity isn't about getting more done. It's about not having to do it at all.